Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to disable sound effect in Bleach Brave Souls application using your mobile device. If you want to enjoy music-free and sound-free experience on Bleach Brave Souls, first of all open up the game on your device and from the home screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. Simply tap on options. Now, go ahead and swipe the white dot all the way towards the left right next to SFX volume and BGM volume. Make sure that these two buttons are turned off and it looks like this, and then you can simply tap on close. If you also want to lower the volume of the voice of the character, you can also drag the white dot all the way towards the left and right next to voice volume as well. After you do that, you will not hear any sound effects in Bleach Brave Souls while playing the game. You can now enjoy the game in silence or while playing your own music. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.